We continue to watch this very powerful storm system that has not only impacted us today, it's impacted many folks. Now, when you look at how much rain fell around here, it was about 1 to 4 inches of rain. Okay, there were areas that got maybe a touch less than that, maybe a couple of areas that got a little more than 4 inches, but the vast majority of us 1 to 4 inches of rain. Looking at sustained winds later tonight and tomorrow, about 10 to 25 miles per hour with some stronger gusts up to maybe 30 to 40, up to maybe 30 to 50 miles per hour. And that could potentially down trees, which could eventually down power lines, something we'll be watching for you very closely here at your local weather authority. Look at the size of this system. We've got snow extending from near Nashville north into Michigan through Canada, rain extending from near Boston all the way south into South Florida. This has been a storm system that has impacted so many people over the course of the last couple of days or so. As we zoom closer to home here, we do have a couple of little showers, say towards Floyd and Carroll counties, with a couple of snow showers still being reported out across the higher elevations of Smith and Grayson counties. We're going to continue to have that chance for some mountain snow showers here later tonight into at least part of the day tomorrow. Want to show you future tracker, and you'll notice that again, that snow shower activity becoming a little more the name of the game after midnight. Looks like at about 7 a.m. most of the snow showers are staying in West Virginia, but every now and again you could have a little spillover towards the highlands and also towards the New River Valley. Then the upslope snow machine kind of turns itself off tomorrow afternoon. Simply put, on Wednesday we're going to have more sunshine east, more clouds to the west. And as we look at tomorrow night, everybody's dry. We're nothing worse than partly cloudy tomorrow night. And again, tomorrow night is dry with less wind. Thursday is also going to be a nice day. We're looking at a partly to mostly sunny sky on Thursday. Thursday, again, looks to be a pretty nice day to be outside. Don't think we have a lot of wind to contend with on Thursday either. That's some good news, right? Then we turn our attention to Friday, where we're going to have another storm system heading in our direction. This one's going to bring us more rain, more wind, and even the potential for a few more thunderstorms across Southside. Timing of this is like Friday midday through Friday night. Could actually still have the winds elevated even as we head into Saturday. So again, this secondary storm system is going to be a player in our weather here late this week into this upcoming weekend. Not necessarily in the rainfall department this weekend, but in the wind department this weekend. The wettest time for us with the secondary storm system will be Friday into Friday night. Temperatures right now at 11-17, 37 in Hot Springs. You're a little warmer in Lynchburg, 49, still in the lower 50s in Danville and South Boston, falling into the upper 30s in Wytheville, Hillsville, and Galax. As we look at the temperature outlook for the next 6 to 10 days, certainly looks like we're going to turn much colder late this weekend into next week. The question then becomes, can we get any moisture to meet up with this colder air coming in from the poles? Well, the answer to that is some computer models say yes and some say no. For instance, the American model has us seeing absolutely nothing early next week. That's the GFS model, while the European model brings us the chance for some wintry weather, the chance for snow on Tuesday. We'll see what happens here. Please stay tuned to your local weather authority. We'll fine-tune that forecast as early next week draws near. But yes, we see what you see. We're keeping an eye on Monday night into Tuesday very closely. But first, let's talk about Friday. Friday just looks to be wet. Overnight lows tonight in the 30s. We're going to, I think, have a few snow showers developing in the mountains. Otherwise, tomorrow we're going to see more clouds in the morning, more sunshine later in the day. It is going to be breezy, arguably windy outside for tomorrow. Then we're in the 50s Thursday, 40s Friday, Saturday. Upper 30s to near 40 Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Wet Friday into Friday night, drying out Saturday and Sunday with more sun. Most of Martin Luther King Day looks to be dry. It's late in the day Monday where we may start to see a little bit of rain pushing in, and then the precipitation really needs to be watched Monday night into Tuesday.